nice out there.
It's about as nice as it gets.
We'll take
If you like it cool in the morning, you got a perfect day for that. If you like it warm in the afternoon, also perfect. Just not easy to know exactly how to dress when you walk out the door. Layers this time of year. That's how it works. It is a beautiful, sunny, blue sky afternoon over northern Talladega County out at the Super Speedway. Tonight, clear and calm. We'll be in the 50s tomorrow morning in most communities. Now, this is around Birmingham, about 54, but there will be some of our usual cool spots that do make it into the 40s tomorrow morning. Then tomorrow afternoon, we're topping out in the lower 80s, so just a touch warmer than it was this afternoon. Nearby there to the Super Speedway, Pell City about 50, Gadsden about 50. Now, this is 6 a.m. It may not represent the actual lowest temperature that you get, but roughly 50 around Clanton, 55 at Inslee, 55 at Tuscaloosa at 6 a.m. So a little chill, may need a jacket early, and then 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. I think we get several areas in the upper 70s and lower 80s. Birmingham, right in the middle of town, we should at least make it to 80, if not all the way up to about 82 tomorrow afternoon. Sunny blue sky, no rain showing up on WVTM 13 Live Doppler. And you look all the way down toward the Gulf Coast and things are nice and quiet, but that band of clouds over the Gulf is a little bit of a tip-off to a weather pattern that's going to be pretty interesting in coming days. There are 3 areas of tropical development near Mexico. One is in the Gulf. This one is not an extremely strong system, and it's not likely to get a name, but we've got 2 tropical storms right on Mexico's Pacific coast. This is Max, this is Lydia. Both of those are moving across Mexico, and then we've got this area of disturbed weather. All that moisture is going to combine over the western Gulf and really start to batter our Gulf Coast as well as northwest Florida with gusty winds, heavy rain, lots of thunderstorms on Wednesday. But look, the northern edge of this rainfall, oh so close, especially from Birmingham south, we get a good chance of rain. But from Birmingham northwest, the odds of getting significant rain, especially northwest of Jasper, Coleman, Double Springs, Haleyville, Hamilton, it's just not really in the cards. It's mainly light and spotty around Jefferson and Tuscaloosa counties. Starts getting heavier south of Alabaster down toward Clanton, and then fairly heavy, fairly steady farther south of there. So how much are we thinking here? Well, between Wednesday, Thursday, and a few showers on Friday, most of us are probably still in the 1/10 to 1/2 inch of rain if you get even that. But it will help to knock the temperature down just a bit. And then with another cold front coming in on Friday night, the weekend ahead looking breezy and cool and bone dry. You're watching WVTM 13 News.